Today we are doing an Agnes procedure, and Agnes is microneedling with radiofrequency, and it can kill fat, which we love. So we do it especially for jowls. You can go under the chin, you can do beneath the eyes, and I'm going to show you a typical jowl procedure right now. So I've already numbed my patient's face with some lidocaine, so you can see it's a little bit blanched because of that, and I'm going to just dab some more Puricin. Okay. And we already checked her to make sure she was nice and numb. And then here we go, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna, you can hear some of that sizzle. And I'm gonna keep going here. And so we just keep on tracking along the area that I have drawn out when she was sitting up. And this will kill the fat cells so the fat cells don't come back. You only make fat when you're born, puberty, and pregnancy. So if you're done with all that, you're not going to make fat cells again. And so you can treat anywhere that there's fat with this. So like above the knees is a popular place to do as well, even inner thigh. You can use it in combination with other things, like if you did liposuction and you had a lump or bump left over, we can use this to treat it. If you have lipomas underneath the skin, instead of going for surgery to remove the lipoma, you can simply do an Agnes. And I don't know that there's another treatment out there quite like this that is so customizable and localized that can target fat. So I usually do 2 different directions with this, and we typically do 2 treatments spaced typically anywhere from 2 to 4 months apart. We will also combine Agnes with Scarlet, who's her sister. And Scarlet is microneedling with radiofrequency as well, and she helps to tighten and lift. So this will kill the fat. Scarlet will come in and tighten and lift the skin then. They work very well together. How are you doing with the numbing? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. We've been doing this for, I don't know, almost 2 years now, something like that. A lot of our staff has done it, and we have loved our results from it. How does it feel? Does it feel funny? Does it hurt?
No.
Now what I'm gonna do is something called tacking. Oh, here we go this way. I'm gonna just kind of tack the skin up. You doing okay?
Yep.
And you can bruise from this. I always say bruises are complimentary. We do have a couple ways to help with bruising, so we always invite our patients back for LED lights after treatments like this. That will help bruising go way faster. But bruises do make you make collagen, so it's not necessarily a bad thing. Other than some people just don't like the looks of it. I wouldn't advocate doing this a week before you are having a big event, because they are little needles that are going in. So afterwards, we recommend just washing with a gentle cleanser. And we have some post-care cream to use. I do not advocate sleeping with any pets or jumping into any lakes, because there are thousands of open channels into your skin. So you'd want to wait for that kind of thing for about a week. So if you do like to sleep with your pets, tell them to sleep on the other side. Make sure you have a clean pillowcase at night also. So I always like to go along the jawline for the tacking. You can see I changed out my needle. It's just a little different between the This is a better use for tacking, the other one's better for debulking. As a patient, you're not gonna really feel the difference. This machine was made in South Korea, and it was made for acne treatments. So you can use this specific needle to target the sebaceous gland and kill it. This is a little different technique, but it is a great one. You doing okay?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So how's your numbing up here?
Good.
Okay, good. You can also use this to help with earlobe creases or any kind of, we're right by the ears, so you can use this for ear lines, ear wrinkles. Like I could go right across these little ear wrinkles with Agnes and it will help those. So let's do that. You can see those can tighten right away, which is awesome. Right across there. And that's it for that side. If you want to find out more if Agnes is right for you or anything about our over 55 procedures we do at Rejuvenation MD, find us at rejuvenationmdmedspa.com.